Hello YouTube, here's a video showing some of the features of a Samson model 6264. The dimensions we have here are 4 inches by 9 inches. Overall it's about 18 inches. It has a swivel base and it opens up to show a usable opening of 5.5 inches, and this dimension here is 3 inches. I'm not sure if this is original, it would have had a wrench or some other type of a spinning nut, but if anyone has any information about when this model was produced, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.